Take a ride in the 2020 EcoSport. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, compass, low tire pressure warning. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.